my name is Scott, and I live in Anhui, Shenzhen, which is a small town close to Nanjing, Suzhou, and Shanghai. And now that China has introduced a 10-day visa-free travel for foreigners, it's a lot easier for people to travel within China, especially if you want to see the cultural sites. Shenzhen is famous for its history, the home of the 4 classic treasures, paper, pen, ink, and stone, as well as the famous poet Li Bai, and also Jingting Lu Shui, which is the famous green tea here that you see behind me. So we're here at Jingting Mountain, which is a wonderful place which has inspired artists and poets throughout the centuries, including Li Bai, who wrote the famous poem Li Bai Sitting Alone in Jingting Mountain.
这条龙呢是始建于南齐建武2年，就公元495年，也是江南4大名楼之一。著名的唐代诗人李白呀，曾经多次呢拿来咱们宣城，并且呢登此楼凭吊，也留下了千古佳句。
So we've just arrived at the Bank of China in the city center, and we're about to do some currency exchanges. Let's go in. So China's been introducing a lot of new policies to make it a lot easier for foreigners to travel in China.
现在中国银行的话，可以提供一个外币取现服务，同时可以提供一个多币种的外币兑换服务，同时我们还可以提供英文的翻译服务。
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, I have 500 American dollars. I'd like to exchange this for renminbi.
Oh, okay. Please give me your passport.
Okay, there you are. The tea that I'm drinking right now is called Jingting Lu Shui, which is a very special tea that you can only get here in Anhui, Shenzhen. Just like the tea, there's so many other wonderful cultural aspects about the city. So I really hope that one day you'll get to come here yourself and experience all that the city has to offer.